Yo, how's it going, everybody? My name's Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage and A. And in today's video, we've got some new lights for everybody, including myself, because it's my garage. But we have got the same lights that we have up here, where they're all integrated in one circuit, and they're all run through this really cool switch right here. So I've got Bluetooth switches for channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. So now I just have to add a bunch more lights, and I do have one more circuit that I think I'm going to put for underneath the garage where that's going to be sitting. So when the garage is closed, it'll have a third one. Otherwise, when it's open for the most part, I'm probably not going to have it turned on. We just got our nice refinished surface-ish, sort of kind of not the best looking cabinets in the world up there with the new hardware. Some of the holes were crooked, but it's okay. I'm not that anal about anything. Our new sink's sitting over there. Everything else other than the fridge over here, we are removing, uninstalling, and deleting. Wife just got some new cabinets ordered. We're gonna go pick up a butcher block piece sometime this weekend, and we should have it by next week. We'll do the faucets, run the water and everything. So this is gonna be basically from here to here, and it's just gonna be this countertop. So we're gonna lose all this, which is fine. It's not gonna hurt anything. We don't need all that countertop space. The carpet will be gone. There's our new sink. We're starting to clean up the garage, so it's gonna look really good when it's done. So let's get to taking down the cabinets.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that?
Alrighty, that is all done. This is what we're left with. So I had to move the fridge over here, but we're gonna have the 3 cabinets right here. We're gonna clean all this up, repanel it, trim board back on, and get that all taken care of. I'm actually gonna have to move this trim board and put it over there, which would make more sense because the cabinets aren't gonna go all the way across. They're only gonna start right here and go over. But I think it'll look pretty cool. I mean, it's gonna have that sink right there in the middle over here, so I'm pretty excited. Gonna paint the rest of the wall white, whatever we put up there. Paint the trim black eventually. I just painted around the door over here and around the garage door on this side. Still have to paint this side and the front. I'm gonna actually use these to put up on this garage door to make it more stable. Because I'm not super, it's okay the way it is right now. So now we're gonna hang up the lights. I've got 2 boxes of 6 lights a piece. We're gonna have 18 lights in here. How it's gonna look, I have no idea. So we're gonna start that right now. Alright, so it's been a couple days. Let me get you caught up on what I've been doing the last few days off camera, because I have gotten a lot done. There's just been people around, they're not used to cameras. I'm trying not to be up in their face or talk to cameras while I'm hanging out with them and doing things around the house and the garage. So here is our lighting. Would you look at that? We have 1, 2, 3 on this channel. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 on that channel. That's 7. 8, 9, 10, 11 on this channel. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 on that channel. It is insane. Actually, I think I missed that one. I can show you how it works. So, we got channel 4, channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. So if you're working on just the car, you want to do something over there, you can keep that on. If you're coming through here in the middle of the night, you need to go to the backyard or something, or you need to work on the cabinets over here, you got channel 2. Channel 1 will just kind of illuminate if you're coming in the house from the garage up front. And you pretty much won't use channel 4 unless the garage door is down. So I just kind of left that one on its own. All of them combined, we have a lot of lighting in here. And I spent less than $100 on that. So you know me, budget friendly, but wow, would you look at that. This is well lit in here. It almost looks like a shop now with all this lighting. They're done with the carpet. We're gonna move the carpet out of here. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage on the side of the house. Honestly, we're really just waiting on the cabinets to come in. I did go to Menards. I picked up this panel. It looks like it needs like another coat. It's kind of, yeah, you can kind of tell on camera it needs another coat. I picked up this panel and I cut this panel right here. I'm not really concerned with all the stuff here because cabinets are gonna be in the way of that, so it's good enough. And I'm just gonna paint the rest of this wall. Clean everything up, clean up as much as I can in here for the most part. And here is actually our butcher block that we just picked up too. So that entire piece is gonna be solid all the way across there. It's 8 feet. Pretty excited about that. And I haven't heard anything about the hoist yet, but guys, this garage is coming together really well. I'm super excited about it. I hope you were enjoying the process along with it. But yeah, this is gonna be a really cool area over here with the cabinets and the running water, and we have the extra cabinets up here. These things are full, by the way. I mean, just full. That was all the stuff that was pretty much left here. I basically have every stain and silicone and paint and everything else, but in the process, this thing is constantly getting dirty, so I'm gonna clean that up for the other video for you guys. But yeah, I think that's gonna conclude today's update on the garage. I'm gonna finish painting that and clean up over there. Not much else we can do until the cabinets get here. They should be here sometime next week. I'm hoping Monday. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. We have so much stuff coming up. It's getting to the hot business of summer for us. We're about to get this garage looking insane. We're about to start working on some more cars. We're gonna get the Miata back on the track soon. Maybe hit up at a racing event. We're gonna do some more stuff to the Focus. We have so much stuff coming up for you guys. Please subscribe, like the video, comment down below what you wanna see if you are new to the channel or something, or you got questions. But peace out and keep turning those gears.